Next is don't cross the bridge until you come to it. This proverb tells you not to worry so much. Problems will certainly come in the future. But what can be done about that now? It's better to think about what you are doing right now without worrying about the unknown and take care of issues when they happen. Next is honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Lying a lot can be difficult because you might forget your lies. Soon enough, someone will find you are lying. Then, then you are in trouble. Or even if no one ever finds out, you will feel guilty for not telling the truth. But if you are honest and tell the truth, people will believe you and respect you. You will earn their trust and sleep well at night. Next is practice makes perfect. It would be. It would be amazing if the first time you picked up a guitar, you could play it like a rock star. Or if the first time you got in a car, you could drive like a professional. Or if you could speak English perfectly after one lesson. Everything is difficult when you are a beginner. But if you stick with it, if you keep practicing, you can master anything. Next is where there is will, there is way. This proverb is said to encourage people who want to give up. Sometimes we face problems that seem impossible, but if you want it bad enough, nothing can stand in your way. That is what this proverb means. If you have the will to meet the problems that are in front of you, there is a way to overcome them. Next is look before you leap. Don't rush into things. Make sure you know what is going to happen next. You would not jump off a cliff without first checking how far the ground is below or what there is to land on. You should wait a few moments and make sure it's good idea to jump from that cliff. So when making a big jump in life, make sure you have looked at the situation and really understand it before you take a big action. Next is beggars. Beggars can't be choosers. This means if someone gives you free things or offers to help you do something, you can't ask for a different color or choose the perfect time in your schedule. When you receive help, free help or goods, you should accept what you are offered. You you can't be picky, means a chooser, because you are not paying.